Assalamu alaikum. Let's start our work with the name of Allah. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Chapter number 2, Real and Complex Number. Exercise 2.6, question number 5 and 6. Here question number 5 is you have to calculate 4 parts. A is Z, B is Z plus Z naught, C is Z minus Z naught, and D is Z into Z naught. This bar sign is actually showing that you have to take the conjugate of that number. A is Z naught, means if Z is equal to 2 plus 3 iota, then this bar will show that you have to take the conjugate, that is 2 plus 3 iota. Conjugate will be 2 minus 3 iota, because in conjugate you have to change the sign of imaginary number. Coming towards first part, that is Z is equal to minus iota. So A part is you have to take Z bar. So Z bar equals to iota. Minus iota, when you will take conjugate of minus iota, it will become plus iota. B part is Z plus Z naught. Now the value of Z is equal to minus iota and Z naught is iota. So minus iota plus iota is equal to 0. C part is Z minus Z naught. Z is equal to minus iota, minus in between them, then Z naught is iota. So minus minus is plus, so it will combine and it will become minus 2 iota, not plus 2 iota, it will become minus 2 iota. Then D part is Z into Z naught minus iota multiplied by iota, because the value of Z is minus iota and value of Z naught is iota. Minus plus minus, iota into iota is iota square, and the value of iota square is minus 1. So minus into minus 1 is equal to 1. Next part is Z is equal to 2 plus iota. First of all, we will take the first part, A part, Z naught. Z naught will be 2 minus iota, because we have to change the sign of imaginary number. B part is Z plus Z naught. It will become Z is equal to 2 plus iota plus Z naught is 2 minus iota. So here iota and iota will be cancelled. The remaining term will be 2 plus 2, and the answer is 4. C part is Z minus Z naught. Z value is 2 plus iota minus, and Z naught value is 2 minus iota. Because of minus sign, the sign will be changed. 2 plus iota minus 2 plus iota. 2 and 2 will be cancelled, and plus iota will make 2 iota. D part is Z into Z naught. Z value is 2 plus iota and Z naught value is 2 minus iota. So 2 into 2 minus iota plus iota into 2 minus iota. It will become 4 minus 2 iota plus 2 iota minus iota square. 2 iota and 2 iota will be cancelled. The remaining term will be 4 minus iota square. Iota square is equal to minus 1. So minus minus is plus. So 4 plus 1 equals to 5. Fourth part is 4 minus 3 iota over 2 plus 4 iota. First of all, you have to calculate the value of Z for finding out Z naught. Whenever the question is in the form of fraction, you have to take the conjugate of the denominator and multiply it with the actual equation. Z is equal to 4 minus 3 iota over 2 plus 4 iota. You will multiply it with the conjugate of the denominator. It will become multiplied by 2 minus 4 iota over 2 minus 4 iota. Numerator will be multiplied by numerator. It will become 4 minus 3 iota into 2 minus 4 iota. And denominator will be multiplied by denominator. It will become 2 plus 4 iota into 2 minus 4 iota. Now for the numerator, multiply the terms. 4 into 2 minus 4 iota minus 3 iota multiplied by 2 minus 4 iota. And in the denominator, it is making a formula, that is A plus B into A minus B. When the terms are making the formula like A plus B, A minus B, we can write it like A square minus B square. So here A is 2 and B is 4 iota. So you will write it like 2 square minus 4 iota square. Next step is 2 into 4 is 8. 4 into 4 is 16 minus 16 iota. Minus 3 iota into 2 is minus 6 iota. Minus minus plus, and 3 into 4 is 12 iota square. And in the denominator, 2 square is 4, 4 square is 16, and iota square is iota square. 8 minus 16 minus 6 will become minus 22 iota, plus 12 iota square is equal to minus 1. So 12 into minus 1. In the denominator 4 minus 16 will remain same, and iota square will be replaced with minus 1. So it will become 8 minus 22 iota, and plus minus minus, so it will become 12. And in the denominator, because of minus sign, minus minus is plus, so it will become 4 plus 16. The equation will become 8 minus 12 will be minus 4, minus 22 iota will remain same, 4 plus 16 is 20. As you have to make the standard form a plus b iota, so split the terms, it will become minus 4 minus 4 over 20 minus 22 over 20 iota. Now as you have to take the conjugate of z, for conjugate of z, the imaginary term will become, change the sign, it will become equals to minus 4 over 20 plus 22 over 20 iota. B part is z plus z naught. The value of z is minus 4 over 20 minus 22 over 20 iota, and the value of z naught is minus 4 over 20 plus 22 over 20 iota. Now adding these two terms, minus 4 over 20 minus 22 over 20 iota, minus 4 over 20 plus 22 over 20 iota. Iota terms will be cancelled because they are having opposite signs. The remaining term will be minus 4 over 20 minus 4 over 20. Denominator is same, so it will become minus 4 minus 8 over 20. And 8 and 20 are the multiples of 2, so 2 4 times 8 and 2 5 times 10, and minus 4 over 10 is again the multiple of 2, so 2 times 4 and 2 5 times 10. Z minus z naught is minus 4 over 20 minus 22 over 20 iota is the value of z, and z naught is minus 4 over 20 plus 22 over 20 iota. Because of minus sign, the signs will be changed. It will become minus 4 over 20 minus 22 over 20 iota. Now minus minus is plus, plus 4 over 20, and minus plus is minus, minus 22 over 20 iota. Minus 4 over 20 and plus 4 over 20 will be cancelled. Remaining term will be minus 22 over 20. Minus 22 and 22 are the numerators and the denominators are same. So it will become minus 44 over 20. Minus 44 and 20 are the multiples of 2. It will become minus 22 over 10. 22 over 10 is the multiple of 2. So it will become minus 11 over 5. Because 2 11 times 22 and 2 5 times 10, so minus 11 over 5 is the answer of C part. D part of this question is z into z naught. Now multiply the terms. Minus 4 over 20 minus 22 over 20 iota is the value of z, and minus 4 over 20 plus 22 over 20 iota is the value of z naught. Multiplying the terms, minus 4 over 20 into minus 4 over 20 plus 22 iota, minus 22 over 20 iota into minus 4 over 20 plus 22 over 20 iota. Multiplying the terms, minus 4 will become 16 over 400, because 20 multiplied by 20 is 400. Minus 4 into 22 is 88. 20 into 20 is 400. Then minus 22 and minus 4 is 88, and 20 into 20 is 400. Now here you can see that I have arranged the terms like minus value of 88 over 400 iota is on the third place, and plus 88 over 400 iota is on the second place. You can rearrange according to your perspective. Then minus 22 into 22 is 484. Minus plus is minus and iota square. Now 88 over 400 iota and 88 over 400 iota will be cancelled with each other. The remaining term will be 16 over 400 minus 484 over 400. Iota square is equal to minus 1. Now 16 over 400 plus 484 over 400. Denominators are same. So 16 plus 484 equals to 500 over 400. 2 zeros of numerator will be cancelled with 2 zeros of denominator, and the answer is 5/4. Question number 6 is, if z is equal to 2 plus 3 iota and w is equal to 5 minus 4 iota, then show that z plus w whole naught equals to z naught plus w naught. Value of z is also given, value of w is also given. You have to prove whether the two sides are equal or not. Consider left hand side, that is z plus w. First of all, we will calculate z plus w. Z value is 2 plus 3 iota, W value is 5 minus 4 iota. So 2 plus 5 plus 3 iota minus 4 iota, it will give you 7 minus iota. Now you have to take the conjugate of the left side, that will become 7 plus iota. Considering the right hand side, now here it is written z naught plus w naught. First of all, you will take z naught and w naught. Z naught is equal to 2 minus 3 iota and w naught is equal to 5 plus 4 iota. So replace the values in the equation of right hand side. It will become 2 minus 3 iota plus 5 minus 4 iota. 2 plus 5 is 7, minus 3 plus 4 iota is equal to plus iota. So 7 plus iota and 7 plus iota are same. So hence left hand side is equal to right hand side. You will do question number 6, second part yourself, that is z minus w whole naught equals to z naught minus w naught. Instead of positive sign, now you will replace negative sign. Fourth part is z over w whole naught equals to z naught over w naught. Left hand side is z over w. First of all, you have to calculate z over w, then you will calculate the conjugate of that. For fraction, we have to take the conjugate of the denominator and multiply by the actual equation. So it will become 2 plus 3 iota over 5 minus 4 iota. Multiply by 5 plus 4 iota over 5 plus 4 iota. 2 plus 3 iota into 5 plus 4 iota, numerators are multiplied, denominators will be multiplied. 5 minus 4 iota into 5 plus 4 iota. It will become 2 into 5 plus 4 iota plus 3 iota into 5 plus 4 iota. Here in the denominator, it is making a formula, that is a square minus b square, 5 square minus 4 iota square. 2 into 5 is 10, 2 into 4 is 8 iota, plus 3 iota into 5 is 15 iota, and 3 iota into 4 iota is 12 iota square. 5 square is 25 in the denominator, minus 4 square is 16, and iota square will remain same. 10 will remain same, 8 iota plus 15 iota is 23 iota. Plus minus is minus, iota square is replaced with minus 1. So it will become 12 into minus 1. 25 minus 16, iota square is minus 1. So 10 plus 23 iota minus 12. And in the denominator, minus minus is plus. So 25 plus 16. 10 minus 12 is minus 2 in the numerator, and plus 23 iota will remain same over 41. 25 plus 16 is 41. This is the value of z over w. Now according to the left hand side, you have to take the conjugate. For conjugate, split the terms. Z over w is equal to minus 2 over 41 plus 23 iota over 41. When you will take the conjugate of this equation, it will become minus 2 over 41. And the imaginary sign will be changed, plus is converted into minus, it will become minus 23 iota over 41. Right hand side is z naught over w naught. Z naught is equal to 2 minus 3 iota and w naught is equal to 5 plus 4 iota. Take the conjugates and multiply it with the actual equation. 2 minus 3 iota over 5 plus 4 iota, multiply by 5 minus 4 iota over 5 minus 4 iota. Numerators will be multiplied by numerators. It will become 2 minus 3 iota into 5 minus 4 iota. And 5 plus 4 iota is multiplied by 5 minus 4 iota. Numerators will be multiplied. It will be written as 2 into 5 minus 4 iota minus 3 iota into 5 minus 4 iota. And the denominator will make the formula, that is a square minus b square, 5 square minus 4 iota whole square. In the numerator, 2 into 5 is 10, 2 into minus 4 iota is minus 8 iota, minus 3 iota into 5 is minus 15 iota, minus minus is plus, 3 into 4 is 12, and iota into iota is iota square. And in the denominator, 5 square is 25 and 4 iota whole square is 16 iota square. Now in the numerator, 10 will remain same, minus 8 iota and minus 15 iota will become minus 23 iota. plus 12 iota square. 12 into minus 1 iota square is replaced with minus 1. 25 minus 16 iota square. 25 minus 16 into minus 1 iota square is replaced with minus 1. 10 minus 23 iota minus 12 over 25 plus 16. 10 minus 12 is minus 2, minus 23 iota will remain same, and 41, 25 plus 16 is equal to 41. Now z naught over w is written in the split form because we have to write in the standard form, that is a plus b iota minus 2 over 41 minus 23 iota over 41. Here you can see the left hand side is equal to right hand side. And the question number 6, third part, you have to solve yourself. You have to multiply the terms with each other. Question number 6, fifth part is 1 over 2 into z plus z naught is the real part of z. You have to prove that whether 1 over 2 z plus z naught is the real part of z or not. For that, z value is 2 plus 3 iota and z naught is 2 minus 3 iota. Replace the values in the equation. 1 over 2, 2 plus 3 iota plus 2 minus 3 iota plus 3 iota and minus 3 iota will remain will be cancelled, and 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2, so it means 2 is the real part of z, because with the real part there is no imaginary term, there is no iota, so it means that is the real part and it has been proved. Its sixth part is 1 over 2 z minus z naught is the imaginary part of z. Now you have to prove that whether it is an imaginary part or not. So for the solution, z is equal to 2 plus 3 iota, z naught is equal to 2 minus 3 iota. Here 1 over 2, replace the terms 2 plus 3 iota minus 2 plus 3 iota. 3 iota will be cancelled with 2 and 2 will be cancelled with each other. Now here 3 iota plus 3 iota is equal to 6 iota. 6 iota divided by 2 is 3 iota. Now 3 is the imaginary part of z. We have discussed question number 5 and 6. Now you have to do the practice of the remaining parts.